Should we invest in fast-growing companies? Should we invest in quality companies that have exceptional financial results? Or should we invest in dividends and make our money grow that way? Well, today we will finally know the answer. And yes, this is not going to be an extremely scientific way of looking at it, and I will not publish an academic paper based on those experiments. However, we will be able to very clearly see which of these strategies was most profitable in the last 10 years. Will it be the same in the next 10 years? Nobody knows. But if the difference in performance of those three strategies was meaningful, then it can be an interesting indication of which strategy might be the best. To find out which strategy is the winner, we will use one of the features of our Stock Ranking Pro. So let's sort all the companies we have analyzed on this channel by the best dividend score. And this is calculated based on dividend yield, dividend growth, and the payout ratio. So we are also looking at the predictability and security of those payments, not just the yield. Okay, so here is our top 10, and in this category we see companies like Stellantis, Home Depot, or Target. So if we invested $1,000 into each of those 10 companies, so $10,000 altogether, 10 years ago, now we would have $30,529. But that is of course not all, because all of those companies also pay dividends. So through dividends, we would get another $6,311. If we add those numbers together, we get $36,840, and that is a gain of 268% in 10 years. And we also should note that one of the companies would actually lose us money even after taking into account the dividends. So the result is nice. If we would invest in the S&P 500 in that time, we would have around $32,100. So dividend investing would give us over $4,700 more. And let's remember that those results do not include reinvesting, which can be a real force when it comes to dividend investing. And if you would like to learn more about this strategy and all the possibilities it creates, then check out my course. The link is in the description. And now let's take a look at quality businesses. So let's sort all of the companies by financial health score, from the best to the worst. And that way we get our top 10 companies when it comes to financial health. So really great quality businesses. And in this group we have companies like Apple, Visa, or Texas Pacific Land Corporation. So if we invested the same amount, $10,000, into 10 companies with the best financial health score on our Stock Ranking Pro, now we would have $51,420. But that is not all. Some of those companies also pay dividends, so we would also get $4,733 through dividends. So after 10 years of holding companies that can be defined as quality businesses, we would have $56,153. So that is a gain of 461% in 10 years. And what is also very important, we would not lose money on any of those investments. They were all profitable. So as we can see, investing in quality businesses gave us a much better result than dividend investing. The difference is a meaningful $19,295. What is also interesting is that when we invest in quality companies, a lot of them are so strong that they also pay dividends. So a strong, healthy company that on top of that pays a nice dividend can be a very interesting combination. So that is a very, very nice result. But let's take a look at 10 companies that have the fastest growth. So let's sort all the companies once more, but instead of financial health, we will sort them based on the growth score. And we get another 10 companies. And in this group, we have such businesses as Pinduoduo, Tesla, or Netflix. Well, after 10 years, our $10,000 investment would be priced at $106,487. And we would also get some dividends, exactly $1,519. So when we add together the current value of shares and the dividends, we get $108,006. That is a gain of 980%. But it is worth pointing out that not only one of the companies would lose us money over that time period, but also that around 50% of those gains came from just 2 companies. So the overall result looks great. We get $51,853 more compared to the quality companies and $71,166 more when we compare it to the dividend investment. But the fact that half of it came from just 2 companies means that it is much harder to actually find the right growth company. If we would miss those 2 companies, our result would probably be worse than the quality investment. So maybe if we are looking for fast growth, we should consider a bit more diversification than in case of quality or dividends. But if we get it right, the results can be mind-blowing. So we could say that growth is the way to go, then quality, and at the end, dividends. But it is really not that simple. We also have to consider the volatility of those stocks and our character, our ability to just buy a stock and then do nothing with it regardless of what happens with the price. And it's not easy. Convincing ourselves not to sell a stock that just 5x'd our money is a difficult task. So yes, thanks to our Stock Ranking Pro, we can find 10 best companies in any category, and historically, those companies as a group outperform the S&P 500. But it does not mean that they will do so in the future, and even if they do, it does not mean that we will be able to take full advantage of this growth, because we may sell too early or get influenced by short-term market swings and just change the strategy midway. We have to find an investment strategy that not only can create a lot of profits for us, but also allows us to sleep well at night. We have to find the right balance of aggression and security that fits us. So investing is not easy, and it shouldn't be. Achieving success can't be easy because then everybody would do it and it would not be a success anymore, but just a norm. So it's not easy, but we can try to make it simpler thanks to using tools like our Stock Ranking Pro. And if you would like to learn more about all the features that allow you to find best companies at bargain prices, you may want to check out this video. And if you would like to get access to the stock ranking straight away, then the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.